Today I want to show you guys this product the brand sent me to make a review for you guys. As you can see, this is really cool unit. You can see it is very compact. It just fits right directly in my hand, and it's just doesn't take much space, and it comes with this protective carrying case. You can easily attach it to your belt and it will just stay around you can see just like this, and you can easily place it in your backpack and just or in the trunk. So that is really cool, very useful. You have bunch of different bits, and it has pretty nice feature. As you can see here, it has this sliding system that allows all the bits to stay in place, and you can then whenever you need you can easily take out. So the way it works, just like this, you can see whenever you need to take out something, you would just slide it out, and even if you don't close the gap here just like this, you can see it's not gonna come out because there is a magnet here, it holds it. So but you would just close it to just make sure nothing comes out. So in case you need to switch between three different bits, right? So no need to just store back everything, take out, so you don't have to struggle with that. So you would just place everything around, and you can use the extension, and you can just easily switch between the different bits. So that is pretty cool feature. It just stays there, and the magnet is pretty strong. You can see it doesn't easily fall off. That is pretty cool. And you can see it has this extension arm which provides you better grip. You can apply more force and better grip. So it is really cool. It just sits and fits in your hand really nicely, and you would just work on your project. So overall, really nice, very high quality product. It has really nice high quality on the body. You can see nothing to like worry about that it would just bend or just has some issue. You can see it has really nice coating, a really beautiful color. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.